leaves your soul, before your story reaches its close. Look to the sky, call his name. Know one whose mercy forever remains. Every heartbeat is a gift from above. Every sunrise whispers his love. The road is long, yet time is brief. Turn to your Lord before you leave. When the world fades into the night, only his mercy is your light. No wealth, no fame, no earthly pride will stand with you on the other side. Before your last breath, call on Allah. Raise your hands and make your dua. Every tear he knows by name. Every heart can change again. Before your last breath, don't delay. His door of mercies is open today. Take one step, he'll guide your way. His endless love will never fade. We chase the shadows of this life, forgetting peace beyond the strife. But every soul will one day see, forever starts with eternity. The stars will fade, the sun will fall, yet Allah's promise outlives all. So plant your deeds with every prayer, for gardens bloom beyond despair. If you fall a thousand times, still return. His mercy shines. He knows the wounds you hide inside. He never leaves the one who tries. No sin is greater than his grace. No heart too lost to seek his face. So let today become the start of a journey back with all your heart. Before your last breath, whisper his name. Yesterday's mistake